Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use GB WhatsApp without getting banned from WhatsApp and using original WhatsApp application. We have to download two different applications to our phone. At first we have to download on Play Store WhatsApp original version, and also we have to download GB WhatsApp from whatsappmods.net. I will share the link in the description of the video. Let's start the video. At first we have to use the original WhatsApp and sign in this WhatsApp with our original number, and after you sign up on this original WhatsApp, you have to download and set up the other WhatsApp, GB WhatsApp. When you set up GB WhatsApp, you have to continue this part, and when you come here you have to confirm and continue. On this section you don't have to put your number here. You will click on three dot on the right, and as a second device you have to connect your phone as a second device. After that you need another phone, and you will take a picture of this code. As you can see now, I will take the picture, and after you take the picture you don't close the GB WhatsApp. Put it to the background and come to the original WhatsApp and go to settings. Actually not settings, go to the connected devices and connected device. Click on the connected device and open your QR code and scan the QR code your phone. As you can see now, it's sign in to WhatsApp. Just a second. As you can see, it connected to WhatsApp. Now we will check the GB WhatsApp, and you can see it start to import the WhatsApp messages to the GB WhatsApp. We have to wait a little bit. Now, as you can see, we import our chats to GB WhatsApp. Click this and go back. As you can see, there is privacy, the other all of GB WhatsApp specifications here, and let's go to GB settings. As you can see here, the settings also, you can customize and use the privacy, the all specification of GB WhatsApp. If you like my video and you want to continue of this video, please thumb up my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.